Hello students, welcome to our class. Today we take a lecture for the standard 6. Our subject is general science. In the last lecture, we complete our third lesson or third topic. Okay, here we complete our third topic. Which is the third topic? That is classification of animals and plants. So here we start our new topic in your textbook, that is the fourth topic. Name of the topic is disaster management. Okay, so see here on the page number 26 in your textbook. So here we start our fourth lesson. So listen carefully. I explain all the concepts with some help of images. Okay, so today we continue. First we see some questions that is given in your textbook, that is can you tell. Under can you tell they give us some questions. So what events do you see in this picture? If we see this picture, okay, all these pictures, by seeing this picture, what do you observe, or which type of events are they? Also there are the second question, that is what would you have done in this situation? Means if in your surrounding, if such type of events are happen in your surrounding, so what would you do in that condition? Means which actions will you take if there are such conditions are arises in your surrounding? First we see which are the conditions are they. So if we observe all this picture, so first picture is of a earthquake. Okay, what is the second picture? Second picture is of if we see the earth is completely get dry, so it is the drought. Drought means there is a scarcity of water. Okay, such condition. Then we see the third picture, that is the heavy rainfall. This what is this condition? It is the due to heavy rainfall what happen? If there is a heavy rainfall is occur, there are floods and also droughts may be occurred in that places. Okay, here in the next picture if we see there are fire catches in our surrounding, and it damages houses, trees which are present at that places. Okay, so it is a fire. Then next one, it is a storm. Okay, this is a picture of storm. There is a storm is occur in certain places. And last picture is of volcanoes. Volcanoes means here there is a eruption or release of some juices, hot juices from the earth surface. Inside the earth surface they contain such type of lava juices. It can be comes out from the earth's inside layer. Okay, so it is, these are the events. If such events are occur in your surroundings, then what will you do in such situation? What will be precautions you have to do for such conditions? So here you think about that. Then third question is that have you experienced such a situation yourself? Means if anytime or if at any instant you will feel such situation, means you are caught in such situation. If there is earthquake or either there is a heavy rainfall, and due to this heavy rainfall flood get occurred at that places. So if you caught in such situations, the answer is it may be yes or no. Okay, some children will be face such situation, some children doesn't face up to their life, that is a any type of such situation or events. So here in this lesson we again see some conditions which are happen in your countries. Okay, in the uh, some last years. So here we see one by one. First we observe all these pictures and observe which type of events are they. First is the earthquake, then second is the drought. Drought means there is a scarcity of water in certain places. It is occurred at desert places or in a summer days. Okay, then due to this drought all the living things doesn't get sufficient water, and due to this scarcity of water earth surface get dry, leaves of trees also get shaded. So here in that case, uh, due to this scarcity, various damage will takes place with the living organism, okay, which are on the earth surface. Also we see the second in the third picture. In third picture we see there is a heavy flood. Also this heavy flood we called dulk. Dulk means here this flood is in a large amount, in very large amount. So such flood is called dulk. It is the condition of heavy. This condition arises due to heavy rainfall. Then we see the next picture. It is a fire. This fire catches due to man-made things, or also it is can be naturally. Also the another is storm. Storm means it is a heavy flow of wind, or blowing of wind is very fast. So due to such condition these storms are arises. Then last picture we see, it is the picture of volcano eruptions. Volcano eruptions means in this events what happened, the hot and poisonous juices are comes out from the earth inner side, okay, to the surface, on the surface of the earth. So we observe all these pictures and identify what are these events. So here in your lesson we study all these events, out of these events, and what could be the precautions will be do by us during such situation. So all this concept we study in your this chapter, that is the disaster management. So at first, before that, we study some events which are occur in our country and in our state also, that is in Maharashtra. Which are they? If we see the first event, that is, if see this is the first event, okay. So in 1993 many people died due to the earthquake at Kilari in Latur district. So if we see this image, this is the effect of this earthquake which are occurred at which places, at the Kilari. And when this occurred, it is occurred in the year 1993, okay. Due to this earthquake what happened, large damage of these houses, or also some lives get damaged due to this earthquake. If we see the another events, and that is this image we will study by the with the help of image. See here in the this is, by seeing this picture we can identify what effects will be occurred after this earthquake. That is a lot of damage, or lot of harm is occurred to all living things which are live at that place, that is the Kilari. This Kilari district, this Kilari place is at which taluka? It is at a Latur, okay, it is at a Latur. So at Kilari such type of earthquake, due to earthquake what happened, this type of damage get occurred, this type of damage of houses and also some other things which are present at that place. So all these uh, objects get damaged due to this earthquake, okay. If we see the another event, that is in July 14 Malin Ambegaon Pune. So here if we see the next event, that is occur in the Pune district, at which place, that is the Ambegaon taluka, and village is the Malin. So this such uh, events is occur at that village. Why this event is occurred, which type of events are occurred in that Malin place? So here in July 2014, the whole village of Malin in Ambegaon taluka of Pune district was destroyed in a matter of minutes due to the landslides. So in within a minute what happened? All this village get destroyed because of there is a landslide takes place due to heavy rainfall. If we see where this village is placed, this village is placed at such places, that is this place is surrounded by all the hilly region, okay. This village is placed at that place. This place is covered by this hilly region, and due to heavy rainfall what happen, there is a landslide takes place. Landslide takes place means what happen, the soil or land on the surface of this hilly region get slip due to this heavy rainfall. Due to this heavy rainfall with the water, this landslide will be takes place. Land will slip in the form of their soils, okay. Soil get free to move with the water of rain. So due to this what happen, the landslide takes place in that village, and due to this what happened, what is the effect of that landslide? The lot of destroy takes place, or destruction of all the village gate takes place at that Malin Taluk, Malin village. Okay, so here many got buried under the heaps of soil and stone and lost their lives. So the which peoples or some animals which are the lived at that places, what happened when such type of landslides occur? All the peoples or most of the peoples which were lived at that places, they get buried under the heavy soils. Heaps of soil means there is a collection of soil together, it form a heaps. So under such heaps of soil, many people got buried, and also they lost their lives, they get died, okay, due to this landslide. And here if we see the another events which is occurred, how this landslide takes place, which is occurred in the Malin. So here heavy rainfall what happen, the soil on the hilly region, here the soil or land on the hilly region get slide in that way, and these heaps of soil get moved towards with the flow of water. And these due to this heaps of soil and stone, many of the people lost their lives, okay, because they are buried under that heaps. So in that event such type of damage or destruction get occurred, okay. So here if we see the second event, that is the in November 2015, many people died due to the floating caused by heavy rain in the Tamil. So here what happened,